The concert in Sydney went well. Ang ganda ng energy ng crowd throughout the show. Even when I sang songs for my new album na kaka-release pa lang. I felt that they liked the songs, kaya doble ang satisfaction ko while I was performing.
At saka ang kanyang the way she talks and her stature and her the way she carries herself, very different from when she was only 17.
Maganda po yung venue at thank God naging successful naman. Marami namang taong pumunta para samahan kami.
At nagpapasalamat po ako sa producer po namin for bringing 24SG concert here, the 24SG concert. Maraming salamat. At sobrang happy po ako excited to perform for all of you. Maraming salamat po.
International talaga siya.
Maganda siyang kumanta, ang ganda ng mga damit niya, napakaganda ng ano niya, ng ugali niya. Mabait sa magulang, mabait sa pamilya.
Everything. Even her personality. Yes, perfect. Yes. Definition of perfection. Thank you, Sarah! We love you, Sarah!
Is there another one here? You understand Tagalog? Not so much? You just laugh when the Filipinos are laughing. Yes. And you clap when the boxers are clapping. Yes. That way, you don't feel so out of town.
Boyfriend? Boyfriend naman? Ano mo na? Sige. Yung pinsa ko ba, wala akong boyfriend eh. 27 na eh. 26. Sorry, Ate Seth. Nandito po yung mga loved ones ko.
Relatives ko din ng tito ko, yung pinsan ko. Yan, so nag-meet kami. Pero lumabas kami. Di kami nakalabas ng cousins ko eh. Kasi may mga school sila pareho. Kami lang ng tito at saka tita ko.
Nakalimutan mo kaya ba sa gabi? Asabihan ang bilis mo ka
Mukhang gugustuhan naman nila. Of course, medyo medyo na-surprise pa sila na may mga bago akong songs na kinanta for them. Mukhang appreciative naman lahat. Every time na nagko-concert ako abroad, laging may kaba na baka hindi na sila ganun ka-warm or hindi na sila ganun ka excited to see me. Mukhang okay naman, naging okay naman. Mukhang gusto pa naman nila akong makita at marinig, kumanta, at mapanood, mag-perform. So, maraming salamat.
The Sydney show was a great start to our 4-city tour in Australia.
And it inspired me and made me more excited for the 3 other concerts in the land down under. Sana hindi magsawa sa akin ng mga producers and supporters dito, because I will always welcome their invitation to perform here. That's it for now. Much love, Sarah.